Doing a YouTube video, man. It's gonna be a lot of work. Gotta come up with a script. Figure out what you're gonna talk about. I mean, what's your style gonna be? I mean, you're gonna be another Travis, or is it a little more easy? Or why don't you just do what you do best? Tell jokes and inform people about what the product is. It's simple. Or is it? God, this is hard. So gaming devices have always felt like a natural fit for me. I'm a longtime gamer. Got myself an original Nintendo action set still. But as much as the Note and the high-powered Android phones have always intrigued me, I've always wanted a little bit more. Something a little more gaming focused. I tried the Razer phone too, but I didn't think it was really ready for the market. So I decided to take a swing at something that is ready for the market. Xiaomi Black Shark 3. Let's give it a go. Now you know what? Man. There. Better. Got the box. It's got a top to it. It's my Pixel 4 XL for size comparison. Pull that out. There's the device itself. We got a bunch of stuff, and there's a case in there too. But you don't care about that. You just want to see the phone do the stuff that's a phone, because clicks on YouTube. Look at that power brick. It's a whole lot of power. Delivers 65 watts of charging potentially. But I can't use it because America. Yeah, I ain't fancy with those rigs and stuff. Okay, it's not bad. Pre-installed screen protector on there. Hey, look, it's me. This thing is nice. I like it. I still gotta cover cameras. Megapixels and all that stuff, and binning and light and such. I mean, you're good at it, but... Dude, you live in one of the greatest cities in the world to take nighttime photos. Just go out, enjoy the Las Vegas Strip, and let the camera talk for itself. Just a little video sample here from the front-facing camera of the Xiaomi Black Shark 3. Got facial hair now. A little bit later in the month. Thought I'd take some time before I did all the other sides of this. But you know, it's really interesting. This phone is incredibly powerful, yet it's got some shortcomings. We'll talk about those too. These rear cameras, we're taking a walk. You know, it's the Black Shark 3. One of the things I did notice about it is MIUI is a little different. It takes a little getting used to. It's not built for the American market per se, so some of the features take a little while to get used to. The way the app drawers are laid out, some of the menus actually have ads from certain things from Xiaomi, like the downloading app has an ad and such. But otherwise, it's a fairly powerful operating system, and I thoroughly enjoy it. So this is kind of a fun device. I mean, that little switch right there activates shark mode. That allows you to play games uninterrupted on this device, which is absolutely awesome. No phone calls, no nothing, no interruptions, just you and the game. But gaming isn't meant to be. I can dig it. Yeah. Well, back to your contemplation window. About done it. About wrapped everything up. Yeah. Oh no. It's a YouTube video. You know what this YouTube video needs. B-roll. Hit it. Well, here we are. A little bit later. Had some good times with the phone. Guess I better put all my thoughts together and give a brief synopsis about it all. I can do that. Well, phenomenal device. Amazing battery life. Cameras are pretty good. MIUI is actually pretty good. Takes some getting used to. It's not quite as American as we're used to, but it's pretty good. Could I recognize this phone? Most definitely. I guess this is the point where, say something witty about like, comment, subscribing, and then, link all my stuff in the descriptions, and thank you for watching. But how do I end it? How do I end something like this? Do I just cool up some cool thing and link other things, or do I go Soprano style? I just have it cut out in the middle.